Hey everyone. So this is a song that myself and Tony Turner, the man with the hat, right, called Old Dog.
Old dog?
Old Dog. I've seen this clever old dog about, as clever as they come. This clever old dog now has 2 masters instead of 1. This clever old dog, yeah, he goes from home to home. This clever old dog knows where to find the juiciest of bone. A club picked up the clever old dog, or did he pick up them? He had them all chasing their tails, around and around and around again. A man named Jim and a bloke called Bob thought they owned the clever old dog, but the dog had, well, he had other ideas. The dog did roam from home to home, seeking other peers. And when Jill and Clive took the dog for a dive, he gave him a couple of pig ears. And they got on the phone to another home, and they got the reply, "Yeah, mate. Yeah, he's been coming round for years." They'll sit by his side, chewing bone from hide, while you quietly sip a beer. You're not alone till he's finished his bone, and then he's off. Yeah, well, he's out of here. It could be days. You know, he's one of them strays. He's going from house to home. Oh, what a life. Never any strife. This dog, he's never alone. I've seen this clever old dog out and about. He'll come to you, give it a shout, but don't think you own him. You just kind of loan him. He just really isn't that way. Best to be thankful he's only sniffing your ankles. Because the smell, well, it stays around for days. catch you hard in the beat. Just drop him a feed of biscuits and meat. And when he's finished, he'll be on his way. Home to home, house to house, from kennel to shed to couch. Nowhere too long will he stay. He's a clever old dog, as clever as can be. Be you his master, or be you his?